Spirit varnish consists of spirit and shellac. The color of granite is grey, green, brown, all of these. When quarrying is to be done in hard stone and compact rocks, the usual method of quarrying is by blasting. Efflorescence is caused if the alkaline salt is present in the bricks, correct. The clay used for making bricks contains pyrite, correct. The water used for pugging the clay contains gypsum. So all of the above. The dry process of mixing is usually employed in the manufacture of Portland cement when the raw material is blast furnace slag. Which of the following constituent when present in excess quantity in clay causes the bricks to melt and distort during burning? Lime. The fuel generally used for burning limestone is any of these, either coal, charcoal or firewood. The siliceous sandstone which has been subjected to metamorphic action is called quartzite. The length of a curved tile varies from 15 to 20 cm. The rapid hardening Portland cement is obtained by grinding the clinker to a high degree of fineness. A limestone containing about 30% of alumina is called conker. The process of adding the required quantity of water to quicklime in order to convert it into hydrated lime is known as slaking. Distemper is used on plastered surfaces not exposed to weather. Gypsum is added in the manufacture of Portland cement in order to lengthen setting time of cement. The initial setting of cement is caused due to tricalcium aluminate. The rapid hardening Portland cement has a higher shrinkage coefficient and higher heat of radiation. The silica in Portland cement should be 20 to 25%. Igneous rock has a crystalline, glossy or fused texture. A fine-grained granite offers high resistance to weathering, can be easily polished and worked, is used for exterior facing of buildings, all of these. The commonly used extender in a paint is barium sulfate, gypsum, alcohol, any of these. The attrition test on stones is performed for determining the rate of wear of stone due to grinding action under traffic. The bricks after molding should be dried in air for 3 to 8 days but not in sun. The hydraulic lime, which resembles very much with the Portland cement in its chemical composition, is called eminently hydraulic lime. The compound responsible for the initial setting of cement is tricalcium aluminate, tetracalcium aluminoferrite, both A and B. Poor or lean lime slakes rapidly with considerable evolution of heat? No. Takes very long time to develop adequate strength? No. Has high plasticity? No. So none of the above. Which of the following is an example of siliceous rock? Granite, genesis, quartzite, all of these. Gypsum is added in the manufacture of Portland cement at the end of the grinding the clinker into the powder. The rocks formed due to solidification of molten mass laying below or above the earth surface are called igneous rock. Laterite is chemically classified as argillaceous rock. Marble is an example of metamorphic rock. The quarrying of stone by the method of wedging is successfully carried out in sandstones, limestones, marbles, all of these. The wood generally used for railway sleepers is kale. The alkaline salt present in the bricks absorbs moisture from the air, which on drying leaves high powder deposit on the brick. The lime, which consists almost entirely of calcium oxide, is called rich lime. The advantage of adding pozzolana or surkhi to lime is to reduce shrinkage, increase resistance to cracking, increase resistance to chemical attack, all of these. The setting and hardening of cement paste is mainly due to hydration and hydrolysis of tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, all of these. Le-Chatelier method is used to determine soundness of cement. Granite is mainly composed of quartzite, feldspar and mica. Which of the following statement is correct? The sand used for making mortar should be fine. Correct. The rounded grains of sand produce a strong mortar. Correct. The mortar made with coarse sand is stronger than one made with fine sand. Correct. All of the above. The workability of cement concrete can be improved by increasing the quantity of the cement. The burning of bricks is 24. The central part of a tree is called pith. Excess of silica in the clay makes the brick brittle and weak. The base in a paint is added to hide the surface to be painted. The solvent used in cement paints is water. The final setting time of ordinary cement should not be more than 10 hours. The sedimentary rocks are formed due to gradual deposition of materials like sand, clay, generally by setting water. For a railway ballast, the stone should be hard, dense, durable, tough and easily workable. The percentage of silica in a good brick clay should vary from 50 to 60%. The dressing of stone is done immediately after quarrying. Which of the following statement is wrong? A stone with large percentage of quartz is very soft. This is the wrong answer. Slate is in the form of tiles is used as an excellent roof covering material. The specific gravity of sandstone is 2.65 to 2.95. The process of mixing clay, water and other ingredients to make bricks is known as kneading. Which of the following paint is highly resistant to fire? Asbestos paint. Gneiss is chemically classified as siliceous rock. The constituent in lime which retards the slaking action and increase the rapidity of setting is sulfate. The most powerful explosive used in blasting is gun cotton. The ingredient marks left on bricks during the process of molding are known as frogs. The soundness of cement is tested by Le Chatelier's method. So this was all about our MCQs related to building materials and building construction. So thank you so much for being with us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ask Me Classes.